Be submissive to your husband. God knows that women are stubborn in nature. That's why he emphasized in Ephesians 5 verse 22 that said, wives, submit yourself unto your own husband as unto the Lord. Yes, Bible know that women were very stubborn. That's why he said we should submit in all things, except the one that is not right or is not biblical. Women, submit in all things. When I say all things, submit, it makes things easier. It makes the man to know that you love him, you respect him, you show care. If you can submit to a man, you will gain a lot in that marriage. Most women don't respect their husband. A man you submit to is the man you value, you respect, you care for, you love. Learn how to get gifts from your husband. Appreciate him. Tell him sweet things. Know when is the right time to give him food. Know when things are not moving fine. Love him. You can buy gifts for your husband. You can appreciate him. Tell him sweet things. It makes him to give you whatever you want as a woman. Love your husband. Learn how to love. Love is important in a marriage. That's why Bible emphasizes on love seriously. In Ephesians 5 verse 25 say, husband, love your wife as Christ loved the church and gave himself for it. Love your wife, appreciate her, show her love, romance her. Buy her gifts. Show her that, yes, she is the owner of your home. Let her be comfortable in that home. She should not be a slave. Let your wife enjoy you because you are showing her love. You are giving her what